2 weeks have flown by since the Apple Vision Pro hit the scene, and let me tell you, the tech realm is abuzz with opinions left, right, and center. But let's not beat around the bush. Is this bad boy the VR champ we've been waiting for? Stick around because today, we're diving deep into this and more. So without further ado, let's get into it. In a nutshell, Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg threw down the gauntlet, claiming that the Meta Quest 3 reigns supreme over the Apple Vision Pro. While there's some merit to his argument, weighing in over 100 grams lighter and coming in at a fraction of the cost, we shouldn't swallow Mark's opinion hook, line, and sinker. Truth be told, there's a lot more to consider. Let's dissect it now. If you're all about gaming and getting fit in the VR world, then the Quest 3 is where it's at. No doubt about it, this bad boy is built for gaming first, boasting a huge library of VR and MR titles like Beat Saber and Superhot. Plus, they've got third-party accessories to level up your gaming experience, from comfy add-ons to controller grips and even extended battery life. And hey, if you're into PC VR, they've got your back there too. On the flip side, while the Vision Pro does support some Apple Arcade games, not all of them really take advantage of the top-notch audiovisual quality and hand-eye tracking sensors packed into this headset. Plus, it's a bit heavier up front compared to the Quest 3, thanks to all the tech stuffed into its sleek design. And let's not forget the comfort factor. Some folks have raised concerns, especially when it comes to longer gaming or fitness sessions. If comfort and having a physical controller are high on your list, then once again, the Quest 3 is the way to go. Its plastic casing not only makes it lighter on your noggin, but also more durable against accidental bumps. And let's talk controllers. The Touch Plus ones on the Quest 3 are game changers, especially for titles like Beat Saber and Supernatural, where precise movements are key. Sure, the Vision Pro has a similar app called Synth Riders, but relying solely on hand tracking can be a real buzzkill, especially in darker settings. Plus, lugging around an external battery pack with the Vision Pro just adds to the hassle of keeping track of things while you're on the move. The third and ultimate reason to opt for the Quest 3 boils down to one thing: price. Crunching the numbers, it's crystal clear that the $500 Meta Quest 3 won't break the bank compared to the hefty $3,500 price tag of the Apple Vision Pro. Zuckerberg hit the nail on the head with that one. However, there's a glaring reason behind this price difference, and it's time to delve into why the Vision Pro might just be the right fit for you. The price gap between the two headsets should clue you in on just how different they truly are. In simple terms, the Vision Pro caters to tech heads aiming to harness Apple's spatial computing platform for tasks like work, media consumption, and communication. While the Quest 3 provides similar features, it falls short in terms of quality, be it display resolution, spatial audio playback, or processing speed. If you're someone who craves a peek into the future of tech, then the Vision Pro is tailor-made for you. This bad boy has the potential to render tablets, laptops, and TVs all ancient relics. There's just so much to explore, from the sleek curves of its 3D glass to the satisfying click of its head strap fastener. And let's talk about those 4K micro OLED displays. They're like having a mini theater right on your face, delivering 3D movies that put the big screens to shame. Oh, and did I mention the cool factor of FaceTiming with a digital persona, all controlled with just your eyes and finger pinches? Using the Vision Pro is a whole different ballgame, folks. It's in a league of its own, boasting the latest and greatest in groundbreaking tech. At such a hefty price point, it's no surprise that the customer support and repair services for the Vision Pro are top-notch. With hundreds of Apple stores nationwide, you can expect one-on-one demo sessions and seamless integration with the brand's other gadgets and services. Airdropping files to and from the Vision Pro is as slick as it gets, while Mac Virtual Display gives your computer a 4K monitor to play with, no matter the size. And let's not forget about those spatial videos captured by the iPhone 15 Pro. They're like stepping back into your favorite memories. For all you movie buffs out there, get ready to be blown away. The Vision Pro's micro OLED displays and dual-driver audio pods create an immersive viewing experience like no other. Whether you're diving into 3D blockbusters like Avengers, Endgame, or Avatar, The Way of Water on Disney+, or feeling like you're courtside watching Giannis dominate on the basketball court, the audiovisual quality of the Vision Pro is next level. Some might even argue it's better than being at the actual movie theater or game. And let's be real, it's leagues ahead of the same experience on the Meta Quest 3. And that wraps up today's video comparing two fantastic VR headsets. Now drop a comment below and let us know which one you go for and why. Is it because of one of the reasons mentioned in the video, or do you have another deciding factor? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.